And there you go, guys. As you can clearly see, we've just grabbed a free $100 Amazon gift card. Completely free. Watch this video till the end to learn exactly how I did it. Alright, so first you need to open your web browser and go to this site called bonzocode.com. Make sure you type it correctly. Once you're on the site, you'll notice there are tons of coupon codes available for free. Now, let's scroll and look for the Amazon gift card section. Alright, here it is. Tap on it. As you can see, we can get a free $100 Amazon gift card code. What you have to do now is click on the Show Coupon Codes button. Currently, the codes are hidden and we need to unlock them. So go ahead and press Unlock Code and wait for the tool to do its magic. Alright, now it's asking us to complete any 2 tasks to unlock the codes. It's super easy, just follow my steps. All you need to do is download and open any 2 of the apps listed here and run them for at least 30 seconds. Each offer has its own specific conditions, so please read them carefully and complete them exactly as required. Otherwise, the unlock won't work. Let's go ahead and complete one of the offers while following all the instructions. I'll speed this part up since it may take a little while. After the app finishes downloading, open it and run it as instructed. This step is very important, so make sure you do it correctly. As you can see, the offer has been completed. Let's close this and return to the verification page. Now just reload the page and wait a moment. And boom, there you go. The codes have been unlocked successfully. Let's scroll down and find the one we wanted. And yes, there it is. As you can see, the Amazon gift card codes are now revealed. Now what you need to do is head over to the Amazon gift card redemption page. I'll leave the link in the comments below. Once you're there, enter the code we just unlocked. I'll type it quickly. S6H9Y-V3E6Z-05D9Z. Let me double check. Yep, it's correct. Now let's redeem it. And there you go, guys. As you can clearly see, we've successfully redeemed a free $100 Amazon gift card. Absolutely free. Thanks for watching.